It's starting to get bad out here now. It's about to start storming and raining hard and more wind gusts coming out harder. It's drizzling a little bit right now. And the wind gusts everywhere. And the clouds moving, the clouds get darker. Got the trees and the leaves blowing everywhere. Trying to get everybody, trying to keep everybody safe. Hopefully y'all are safe. Keep your family safe right now. And you hear that? Rain, wind. The wind is coming out hard now. Alright, I have to go back inside now. Love y'all. Peace. Bye.